Celebrities and their favorite gyms. Bodyholic Combined Training Gym. Well, Varun Dhawan's favorite gym in B-Town is none other than Bodyholic's Combined Training Gym, and he never misses to visit this gym. Barney J, who is a fitness freak and an ex-roadie, also visits the same gym for her daily workout sessions. Body Image, Yasmin Karachiwala. This is definitely the most popular place in B-Town for Bollywood actresses to maintain their fitness and great shape. Bollywood actresses like Katrina Kaif, Alia Bhatt, Deepika Padukone visit Yasmin Karachiwala's gym for their workout sessions. Fly Zone Fitness. One of the fittest and young couples in Bollywood currently is Disha Patani and Tiger Shroff, as they both visit Fly Zone Fitness. The couple loves that fitness studio to maintain their sculpted look and intensive workout sessions. Diva Yoga. The diva of Bollywood, Malaika Arora's favorite place to maintain her shape is Diva Yoga. Malaika Arora prefers yoga more than anything, and her sister Amrita Arora and best friend Kareena Kapoor too visit this place. The space, Cindy's Boot Camp. Aditya Roy Kapoor is a fitness freak and cannot live a day without working out at the space, Cindy's Boot Camp. This place is Aditya's favorite to sweat it out on weekdays, and the actor takes off from his workout sessions on weekends. Reset. We already know how flexible and how fit the young star Ishaan Khattar is, and he works out at Reset. Not only Ishaan, Janhvi Kapoor too visits the same gym for her workout sessions to maintain her great shape. Anti-gravity. Shahid Kapoor is one such actor who transforms his figure according to his role requirements, and for this he trusts Anti-Gravity Gym. Shahid Kapoor, along with his wife Meera Rajput, visits this gym and never misses their workout sessions for a single day. The Pilates and Altitude Training Center. Sara Ali Khan has a great transformation and shocked everyone from being fat to one of the fittest actresses in Bollywood. Sara Ali Khan is dedicated to work out and can be spotted often at the Pilates and Altitude Training Center. Akron. One of the fittest actors of Bollywood industry, Hrithik Roshan, maintains his sculpted figure by working out at Akron. Not only Hrithik Roshan, but his full family visits the same place to keep themselves fit and healthy. I Think Fitness. One of the fittest couples of Bollywood industry currently is definitely Bipasha Basu and Karan Singh Grover. Bipasha and Karan visits the same gym, I Think Fitness, and this is their favorite place to work out. Whose gym have you liked the most among these stars? Let us know in the comment section.